My name's Steve Casting. I'm the inventor of the Duckfoot. The Duckfoot is a slip-over paddle tine that goes over the existing tine on combine headers to help reduce cutter bar losses and feed the combine more evenly. We put a reusable clip system on the top that is quick and easy to put on and take off. The Duckfoot works really well in lentil crops because they're short, so you don't have the mass to help move it along with these on. It just helps clear it right away. It's on the canvas and gone. Any type of farmer can benefit from using the Duckfoot. We use it in all varieties of crops. You can gain a half mile an hour, 3/4 mile an hour. That's big in a 12, 14-hour day. Duckfoot is made out of high quality nylon 6 plastic. It's all UV protected. It's rated for -40 to +85 degrees Celsius. Everything is made in Canada and we buy our plastic out of the US. I'm proud of the Duckfoot because I created it for my own farm, found good benefits with it, and now I'm able to share that with other farmers. If you want more information on Duckfoot, just head to our website, duckfootparts.ca. If it doesn't say Duckfoot on the paddle, it's not a Duckfoot.